Welcome. In front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you where to find the serial number of your laptop. The serial number is located on the back side of your PC, so let me show it closer to you. Now right here, if you can see, here is the SN number, which stands for serial number, and the characters next to it is the serial number of your laptop. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.